వెల్కమ్ టు బీజీఎన్ తెలుగు. హైదరాబాద్లోని నారాయణ స్కూల్ యొక్క నారాయణగూడ బ్రాంచ్ ఇటీవలి ఎస్ఎస్సి పరీక్షలలో ఖచ్చితమైన 10 జీపీఏలను సాధించినందున దాని విద్యార్థుల అసాధారణమైన విద్యావిషేక విజయాల వెలుగులో దూసుకుపోతోంది. అనుకూలమైన అభ్యాస వాతావరణాన్ని పెంపొందించడం మరియు ప్రతిభను పెంపొందించడంలో పాఠశాల యొక్క అంకిత భావానికి ఈ అద్భుతమైన ఫీట్ నిదర్శనం. ఈ విశిష్ట విజయాన్ని పురస్కరించుకుని నారాయణ పాఠశాల విద్యార్థులను సన్మానించేందుకు ప్రత్యేక సన్మాన కార్యక్రమం నిర్వహించింది. ఈ కార్యక్రమం వారి విద్యా నైపుణ్యాన్ని జరుపుకుంది మరియు వారి అంకిత భావం మరియు సంకల్పానికి నిదర్శనంగా ఉపయోగపడుతుంది. ఈ కార్యక్రమంలో ఆతిథ్య శాఖ ప్రిన్సిపాల్ హర్నీత్ కౌర్తో పాటు ఎన్జీ జోన్ ఏజీఎం బాల పరమేశ్వరరావు, ఎన్జీ జోన్ హైస్కూల్ కోఆర్డినేటర్ ఆజాద్ సర్ తదితరులు పాల్గొన్నారు. అదనంగా నూర్ మామ్ మరియు భవానీ మామ్తో సహా యోలు, ఉపాధ్యాయులు మరియు పేరెంట్ కోఆర్డినేటర్లు కూడా హాజరయ్యారు. అకడమిక్ ఎక్సలెన్స్ మరియు సమగ్ర అభివృద్ధికి పాఠశాల యొక్క దృఢమైన నిబద్ధతను నొక్కి చెబుతూ ప్రిన్సిపాల్ హర్నీత్ కౌర్ విద్యార్థుల విజయాల పట్ల అపారమైన గర్వాన్ని వ్యక్తం చేశారు. కఠినమైన పాఠ్యాంశాలు మరియు వినూత్నమైన బోధనా పద్ధతులను ఆమె ఈ యువ మనస్సులను విజయవంతం చేయడానికి దోహదపడింది. ఖచ్చితమైన 10ల సాధన అనేది విద్యార్థుల కృషిని మాత్రమే కాకుండా పాఠశాల యొక్క అకడమిక్ ఇన్ఫ్రాస్ట్రక్చర్ మరియు టీచింగ్ ఫ్యాకల్టీ గురించి కూడా గొప్పగా తెలియజేస్తుంది. నారాయణ స్కూల్లోని ఉపాధ్యాయులు తమ విద్యార్థులకు మార్గదర్శకులుగా తిరుగులేని మద్దతు మరియు మార్గదర్శకత్వం అందించినందుకు ప్రశంసించబడ్డారు. పాఠశాల యొక్క అద్భుతమైన పనితీరు గురించి వార్తలు వ్యాప్తి చెందుతున్నప్పుడు ఇది విద్యార్థులకు, తల్లిదండ్రులకు మరియు అధ్యాపకులకు స్ఫూర్తినిచ్చే మూలంగా పనిచేస్తుంది. ఇది అకడమిక్ ఎక్సలెన్స్ సాధించడంలో శ్రద్ధ, పట్టుదల మరియు సహాయక అభ్యాస పర్యావరణం యొక్క విలువను బలపరుస్తుంది. నారాయణ స్కూల్ నారాయణగూడ బ్రాంచ్ అద్భుతమైన విజయాన్ని సాధించిన విద్యార్థులకు, అధ్యాపకులకు మరియు యాజమాన్యానికి అభినందనలు. మీ విజయం నిజంగా స్ఫూర్తిదాయకం. విద్యాపరమైన విజయాలు మరియు ఉత్తేజపరిచే కథనాలపై మరిన్ని అప్డేట్ల కోసం బాన్స్ గ్లోబల్ న్యూస్ ని చూస్తూ ఉండండి. చూసినందుకు కృతజ్ఞతలు.
So what I want to tell here is, I want to give a solution for them for their future. Instead of struggling for getting seat in IIT, instead of taking on that pressure, I suggest them to take some courses or something extra to learn skills what the industry needs. So how many of you are going to MPC then after this? So I am telling you, mainly focus on new technology, upcoming what do we say, technologies and all these. So learn. Thank you.
I am Inan Gigi from NG branch, and I think that Adab sir, AGM sir, and our principal ma'am, they are well aware of my notorious skills. And from my childhood, I was a very notorious guy, but I always kept that focus in studies also. And I am really proud to say that I got 10 GPA.
So here one thing I want to tell to all the parents, not only you, we also scared. The moment we got SA1 results, in the sense quarterly results, nearly 42% are failed in 3 or more subjects, especially 52% failures in mathematics. But I proudly say 99.5% is the pass percentage of NG. So the entire credit goes to the teachers who really put their efforts. And the coordinator is at the back of him, because the moment he enters the campus, all the teachers will be running. What he asks us, what about corrections, like percentage of marks, 10 GPAs, expected 10 GPAs, these all things will be scared by all the teachers. But this all puts us good results in all the campus. And especially, I should say about the home branch where we all are sitting here. We are at the back of the principal. Never, in the previous exams, never we achieved 110 GPA also. In the last pre-final exams also, only one we achieved. But we pressurized, we put so much of pressure on the teachers, 10th in charge, all the people, really they felt a lot of pressure from the management. Now they are in a position to feel proud to achieve 10 GPS from the single campus. This is a good achievement from Kaur madam.
Won't stop here. And one more thing is, Narayana will create records and will break the records. This is only done by Narayana. No one will come and no one can break this record. We create records and we only break the records. And in this, today I want to thank my principal ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am Sarita ma'am. She keep on saying my children, so that our happiness is okay, but man's happiness is 1,000 times more than ours. Thank you so much, ma'am. Only because of that confidence we are speaking here, I'm speaking here, we are staying here. Thank you so much.
Good evening to one and all. My name is Karthik. First of all, I want to thank all the faculty, all the teachers who have supported us till now. They are the reason we have achieved this. If we are students, we need to get the 10 GPAs, but we cannot do anything without we have a guidance. The teachers are the light which shows us the path to the success. And even the higher authorities like Azad sir have visited our branch many times, gave us many counselings. Balaparmeshwar sir has also visited. Even the principal ma'am has supported us. She gave us counseling. So I thank all the faculty for supporting us. Thank you.
Make him to stand here.
Good evening all. Myself, Sharad from 10th class, have secured 10 by 10 GPA because of mainly two reasons. First, the management. Second, our faculties. The management has provided a perfect strategy according to our skills, which made us to understand and realize our mistakes and never repeat them again. Thus, by writing many exams, we have realized our mistakes and we have not repeated them. And second reason is our faculty. Our faculty had provided every amount of knowledge for us. Thus, we have secured the 10 GPA and we are all here. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone. This is K. Ramsukrishna from Ramadapur branch. I would like to thank my teachers and everyone who has supported me to secure the GPA. I would especially like to thank my principal ma'am for giving me this opportunity. Thank you.
Good morning, one and all. My name is R. Kiranman. I am from Tanaka branch. As our beloved friends told, we go have confidence by our teachers, especially Azad sir, AGM sir, our principal ma'am, Parveen ma'am, and our AD sir, Suresh sir, who gave the confidence to us by giving many exams, everything, DPTs, GSTs. We wrote many exams and gained the confidence to get 10 by 10. We are here because of them. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, I am Shraddha from Uppal branch. I heartily thank Balaparmeshwar sir, Azad sir, principal ma'am, all the RPs and our teachers who guided us in this point. We are in this successful position and we will be in greater positions in future because of the support of our teachers, principal and all the Narayana family. All the materials provided and all the DPTs conducted here are very important and very useful for our future. Thank you.
Good evening everyone. This is Rasagna from EDD branch. Actually, when I was writing board exam, it felt so easy and the questions were really known to me. This happened just because of DPTs which are conducted by Narayana institutions to all the students of 10th. DPT AGM sir and Bala Parameshwar sir. They motivated us very much. And also our principal ma'am, Sabita ma'am. She was like just like our mother. She used to come to our classes and she used to sit with us all up to 6:30, and she used to motivate us a lot. She used to teach us English also if you have any doubts on grammar. Thank you everyone.
Good evening, everyone. I'm from CM branch, and my name is Khair Lisa. I secured 10 GPA because only and only believing in myself. And this confidence was given by my principals, my teachers, and the every person who supported me from Narayana team, the whole staff, the whole central office, which is connected to Narayana. This is excellent. They are appreciated for their work, and everything from even the DPDs to every material, every study material, everything is very well planned. So students are not needed to worry more. So they can go ahead to take admissions in Narayana institutes, and I wish very well. I wish very well for every student who are taking admissions in Narayana schools. Thank you.
Good evening, Manala. I am Sai Kaushik from NC branch. So first of all, I would like to thank all the management and the faculty who has provided us this great knowledge to achieve the 10 GPA. Here we all achieved 10 GPA because of only teachers and their parents' support. And also our hard work has resulted in this 10 GPA. So more than us, our teachers and our principal ma'am will back of us for our result. We wrote many exams for our practice and we got perfect in almost every subject, which resulted in 10 GPA and good result. Thank you.
Hello to everyone. I am Palma from Narayanpura branch. First of all, I want to thank all the dignitaries present over the stage. It is easy to say just well done of your hard work in the groups and leave, but all of them brought us here to recognize our hard work. I really appreciate that, everyone. I really want to appreciate our principal ma'am for fighting over our classes and providing everything for us. She will remind us RP classes are there, and if you want any doubt or you want to know any tricks, tactics, you are most welcome to ask. So, thank you is a small word to you, ma'am, but if there was any special thing, I would really want to dedicate that to you. Narayana doesn't only make the whole nation's half of the IITians. It also takes care of the mental health of Narayana students. Let us not forget the Safalta Ka Rasta when Narayana sir's daughter, she gave us many tricks to be calm in every situation. Let us not forget, mental health is also important to every student. Because of our mental health, our willpower, everything combined, and our faculty pushed us towards the race, and we won 10 GPAs. Thank you.
Good evening, Manipal. I'm Navya from ONC branch. I'm very thankful today. I got 10 GPA because of my teachers. Especially I'm thankful to my principal sir Nagaraja sir and our teachers. They have sacrificed very much. In starting when I wrote my first pre-final exam, I was not very much confident on myself. But later our faculty gave us much confidence on ourselves. They have encouraged and they have motivated us as well. So I want to thank my teachers and principal sir and my parents. They all supported me very much. Without them, I would not get this result. Thank you.
So I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to the Narayana management, our principal sir Venkatesh sir, our coordinator Raja sir, and our AGM Balasubramanian sir. And my special thanks go to my teacher who had so much dedication towards us. For their hard work, for their dedication, this is the result, this is the success. So I would like to thank all of them. So our hard work and their dedication is the result of this success. Thank you so much.
Thanks for watching BZN Telugu.